present to you the JohnJul Sari-sari store management system called TaraBuy. In this course, we created a work plan that we have to finish weekly or present our progress of completing a DFD process. So, and this week is the 4th week of our worksheet, and I have decided to present 3 processes of my DFD, which is the process 1 is replenishing the stocks, process 2 assigning retail price, and process 3 buying of products. So before we start process 1, the admin will log in to enter the admin page. So if we read our work plan, it says the first task I have to show is to create a function for categories. So creating a category form that I have to add different types of category that would be needed to identify the products in the store on behalf of the admin, if I am the admin. So I would add a milk category and saves in this table. If you had typographical error, you could edit it right away. Okay, milk and save. Now, so that is the first task. And the second task of the process 1 is adding of products purchased from the market that saves in the product inventory table. So this is the product inventory table. So after the owner of the store buys product from the market, she is now need to put each item on the product inventory that would be needed to display on the customer page. So we would like to add Bear Brand Swak, the category of milk, and we have a stock quantity of 15 pieces with the market unit price of 11, and then saves. Data successfully added. So the recent item added is now on the list of items, and you can see here the category, its total stock quantity, the market unit price, and when it was added. So the third task of process 1 is another page for adding stocks of available products. So this would be mean if you want to add stocks on the available products on the store, you would go here on the stock inflow, and then you just need to click this add button for adding the stock inflow. So if we would want to add stock quantity for Bear Brand Swak, we would say that today is March 15, 2021, the day you added a stock for Bear Brand Swak. So it has already 15 total quantity, and then you want to add 5 quantity, and the market price increases in 10 centavos, like that. Then you have to save. So you would see here that the date is updated and the stock quantity is added. So earlier it was 15 and then added 5 pieces. Now the total is 20. And you would also see the price update. For the last task of the process 1 is to create another table called replenish history. So replenish history is stated from the feedback of Mr. Irwin to display the date of transaction and price of each product. So each item here are displayed with when was it added on the store, its total stock quantity, its market price. So you would also see the history of updating the stock. So you'll see we added 5 stock on March 15th and update of the price, market price. So for the process number 2, assigning of retail price, the task here is to assign product details to be displayed in the customer page. So the admin now has to assign product details or retail price and some of the details of an item. So since the Brer brand is the recent added item, we have to set its product details. Stock quantity for Brer brand swag is needed also. So the item description could be sterilized milk. So let's just make it short. Category is milk, and for your retail price, this is when the owner decides the retail price of an item. So let's just say 14 pesos each. And then you would also add an image of the item and then saves. When the data is successfully added, it will be shown here in the table that would indicate that it could be shown on the customer page. So that is the task for the next process, which is buying of products. Buying of products means the customers. So this is the process 3 already. Display products on customers page after the owner established product details. So after the owner established details, here it should be displayed or can be seen on the customer page. So let's just refresh it and let's see. So here, this is the added Brer brand swag or item earlier. So this is the customer page. That's it. See you next week. Thank you.